There is no such thing as a digital business model next to a non-digital business model anymore. I mean, every aspect, every dimension of the management of a company has been fundamentally impacted by an ever-growing trend toward digitalization. But if you think about it, the customer discovery process leading to value creation, the product and service design, the go-to-market strategy, the emergence of new touchpoints, even the multiple monetization schemes, all these components of the value chain must be redesigned, must be redefined to embed a digital native standpoint. Even at management level, the skill set required from today's leader, going from management of people remotely to digital service excellence, must include those new tools that weave digital into the entire organization. And failing to do so may result in quicker than ever obsolescence of your relationship with your clients, your employees, and your shareholders. Well, many companies have successfully adopted a digital-first approach. To name a few, Tinder or Airbnb have successfully disintermediated their respective markets by providing a digital-first service with just the information their clients wanted, when they wanted, and with little or no friction between service request and delivery. On the contrary, travel companies like Thomas Cook, for instance, saw their profit pool shrink to the point they had to declare bankruptcy. And this was largely caused by a massive disintermediation process, a service that got digitized and eliminated friction. So in a sense, it was a service that could be provided just as well using a digital platform than through travel agency. A participant can expect from this program a better understanding of the potential business impact of the combined effect of the COVID crisis with the acceleration of the digital transformation. He can also expect a better management of the tools required to assess the digital threat, assess its competitive position in this new digital environment through 6 key factors, including organizational design and leadership. Last, together, we will develop a framework to prepare your response and generate more value over time for your business.